Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Before you begin restoring a Metamask wallet, gather your recovery credentials and secure your environment. Metamask commonly uses a 12-word secret recovery phrase. Locate the exact phrase written correctly with spaces and order preserved. If you only have a private key or JSON file, prepare that instead. Update your browser or Metamask app, use a trusted device, and disconnect from public Wi-Fi. Create a strong password of at least 12 characters for the extension or app. Never enter your phrase on unfamiliar websites and avoid phishing prompts. To restore using the secret recovery phrase, open the Metamask extension or mobile app and choose Import Wallet. Select Secret Recovery Phrase, then type the full 12-word phrase in exact order separated by spaces. Tap Continue and create a new strong password of at least 12 characters for local encryption. Once restored, reveal accounts and add any missing networks such as Polygon or Binance Smart Chain by entering RPC details. Confirm asset balances and always send a small test transaction, for example, before moving larger amounts. If you do not have the 12-word phrase, you can import individual accounts with a private key or JSON file. Open Metamask, choose Import Account, and paste the private key or upload the JSON. After recovery, immediately review connected dApps and revoke stale approvals to prevent draining. Consider connecting a hardware wallet, such as Ledger or Trezor, for added security and move funds to a new account if you suspect compromise. Always keep offline encrypted backups, verify token contract addresses for custom tokens, and test transactions with a small amount first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.